Yeah, this is my second video for bank reconciliation statement for 11th class Samachir Kalvi Accounts Book Illustration 2, and I hope you all understand this illustration sum very well.
So now we are going on with illustration 2. On 31st March 2018, the bank column of cash book show of Sendamari Traders showed a debit balance. So it is a cash book and it is a favorable balance. So favorable balance of amount 40,200. So first we have to make this entry, and next a check. So if the cash book is given, the cash book bank column of cash book amounts to 40,000, and we have to verify with the passbook balance of the bankers. And the first entry, a check for 2,240 deposited on 29th March. So 29th March they have deposited a check, was credited by the bank only on 4th April. So this amount of 4th April, so here the year ends by 31st, month ends by 31st March only. So here it is 4th April. So whatever the money comes, so that has that amount which is before 31st March will be entered. So here this things has to be, this 2,240 is to be shown on the lesser side, because the money has been not deposited before 31st March. So it will be shown on the less column. And next one, the payment made. So here I just make a bracket over here. The payment made through net banking for 180. They made a payment on net banking 180. They have made the payment, but entered twice in the cash book. Don't get confused. So in the bank column of our cash book, we just made the entry twice. So two times if I made the entry, I have to give a cancellation entry here for that 180. Okay, so this will come on the ad, because the payment twice I made means it will be shown um, shown on the lesser, twice means two times I will be made the payments. So to cancel that, I have to show this on the ad column. And next one, a bills of exchange for 1,000 was a bills of exchange. The first line is enough. We doesn't want to go. A bills of exchange for 1,000 was dishonored by Sendamari Traders with its bank. Say yes, dishonored, yeah, bills. I mean, he has pledged a bill with the bank, but this bill was dishonored. Dishonored in the sense he has not received the money. Like check, what we say, the check dishonored or the bills dishonored, the money won't be received. Or in a simple word, the known term, the bounce, check as bounced means we have not received the money for the checks or the bills what we have paid in the bank. So automatically, if you are not receiving money, it will be shown on the lesser column of our bank. And next, check amounting to rupees 500. The checks amounting to rupees 500. I just put another bracket here. Checks amounting to rupees 500 which were issued to trade payables. They have made the payment. Trade payables, they have made the payments. Were not, see here, were not presented for payment until the date. So I had issued a check, but they have not made the payment. So what will happen? My bank account won't get reduced. So automatically this amount will be shown on the ad side. And next one, check amounted to rupees 2,000 had been recorded in the cash book. So checks amounted to rupees 2,000 had been recorded in the cash book, having been deposited in bank. On 31st March he made the deposit, but they got the money on 3rd April. Okay, again the date, first 4th April, and here also 3rd April. So what happened? uh, Check amounting has not been recorded, not recorded in the cash book as having been deposited. Simple thing, they have deposited a check in the bank, but the money has been credited on 3rd April. That's all. So what will happen? Obviously, it has to be shown on the lesser column because we have not received the money. That's all. And next, transport subsidy amounting to rupees 3,000 received from the government of Tamil Nadu. Okay, we have received a easy thing. The transporter we have received from. So last three transactions we are going to see now. So the transportation subsidy amounting to rupees 3,000 received from the government of Tamil Nadu. So the amount received, once I am receiving an amount, that will be shown on the received means that will be shown on the add column of the bank reconciliation statement. So the amount will be added in the passbook because the money has been deposited in the bank. So that has to be added. And next one, a sum of 1,500 was wrongly debited. Wrong debit will happen sometimes in the passbook. So again, the banker will rectify this statement. But on the present, on 31st March, the amount has been reduced. So that is the thing. So we have to subtract this amount or shown on the lesser side of the passbook. And next, last one is the 31st March payment side of the cash book was undercast. Undercast is nothing but the ratification. It is a lesser. They are made here. They have to make the payment of 1,200, but they have made a payment of lesser amount they made. So to ratify that, again they have to make the payment. So whatever the amount difference they have to make the payment is 1,200. They have to make the payment. Okay, so payment means less. The payment once comes, that has to be shown on the lesser side. Okay, no doubt in it. So it will be shown on the lesser side of the bank reconciliation statement. Payment has to be made by 1,200. Simple thing, they have to make the payment and of 1,200. So when you are making the payment, yeah, now you are coming on to the illustration 2 second, for the bank reconciliation statement of Sendamarai Traders as on 31st March 2018. So here the bank balance, so cash balance, the bank balance as per cash book has been given. So bank cash book balance means we have to see the bank. We have to cross verify the bank book. So keep in mind we are going to see the bank book every transaction. What would have happened in the bank book? So the amount is 40,200, and now again add, and I mark the less here. Okay, so add. What will happen? So the first entry, a check for 2,240 deposited on 29th March was credited by the bank only on 4th April. So we have deposited a check, but the bank has cleared that on 4th April. We have been seeing the transaction till 31st March only, but the amount has been credited in your account by 4th April, so the next month. So you have to show on the date, on the date of 31st, we have not received the money. So whatever check deposited, deposited not yet credited, not yet credited. So amount is 2,240. Okay. And the next, a payment made through net banking for rupees 180 had been twice entered twice in the cash book. So here, I just give you a small explanation for this. So the first, here we want to see that is a point of error in recording. Error in recording in the sense, what had happened at the time. We are using a cash book. So that is a cash book we are using. So in that cash book, the triple column cash book, what we are maintaining. So we made the payment twice. So payment in net banking 180 and the payment in net banking 180. So this is the error we committed there. So this error has to be rectified. So once when we are going to a bank reconciliation statement, so when you are going to a bank reconciliation statement, I have to rectify this. How to rectify? So rectification, how I can do? I have to make the cancellation entry. So if the payment has been made twice, so two times the money will be deducted. So the deducted money, once I am making in the add column of 180, what will happen? So the payment get cancelled. One payment get cancelled. So the balance 180 will be remaining. So this is the entry why I am making that in the add column. So I'm coming to the third transaction. So that one is the bills of exchange of 1000 was dishonored by Sandamari. So dishonor is nothing but the bills has been pledged in the bank, but money has dishonored. The money has not received. That is known as dishonored. So bills of exchange dishonored, dishonored. So the money which we have not received. So the bills being pledged in the bank. So we are making on the lesser side. And next, the fourth one, check amounting to rupees 500, which was issued. I issued a check, but were not presented for payment until the date. So till the date, the check has not been presented. So I issued a check. So after I issued, but whatever we are just making the entries for the passbook only. So when we are making, I issued a check, but the person has not went to the bank. So checks issued, not presented, not presented in the bank for payment. So your amount won't be reduced here. And next transaction, checks amounting to rupees 2000 deposited into the bank on 30th March. So checks which have issued amounting to rupees are be deposited within the 31st March. I deposited the check, but I have not received the money. The check has not went for clearance, so the money has not been received. The clearance has been not made because it is made on only 3rd April. So checks deposited but not yet, but not yet credited by bank. So the credited by bank amount is 2000. So the within 31st March, the amount has not been credited. The amount has been received on the date of 3rd April. So before that, the amount is not received. So I am showing in the lesser column. And next one is a transport subsidy amounting to rupees 3000 received from Government of India. So the money has been received directly deposited by the government in your bank account. So your bank account will get increased. So transport subsidy. Transport subsidy collected by bank or deposited directly to your bank account. So the bank account get increased. The money is getting deposited. So the bank account getting increased. And the next transaction is a sum of 1500 was wrongly debited. So the debited in the sense the amount has been deducted. So wrong debit has been made. So automatically on the date, even though it is a wrong or right, it's not. So before the date, the amount has been debited means it has been, so we have to make it in the less column because your amount has automatically reduced. So wrong debit. After that, it will be repaid or cleared. But on the date, the amount debited has to be deducted and shown by bank. So that amounts to 1500. And for the next transaction, On 31st March, the payments side of the cash book was undercast. Undercast. I just make it clearer. With a And now we are coming on to the last entry. So that one is the payment side of the cash book was undercast. So now bank side we have been undercast. The amount what we has been reduced. Payment in the sense what we have been reduced, that has been a 1,500 has been undercast. Have been mentioned in a lower amount. 1,500 by 1,200. So again we have to make the payment undercast by 1,200. So we want to rectify that. So we are making it is a rectification entry. If it is an undercast, the same side it has to be posted. So it is on the payment side. So again I am going to make the thing on the payment side itself. Undercast. Undercasting of the cash payment made. The payment what you have to give, that has been a undercast. Undercast means reduced. So again if we make the payment, the things as will be we can able to rectify the thing. So here we are going to close this. So here this total comes to 3,680, and if you add both it is a 43,808, and this side total it is 7,940, and after subtracting we will get 35,940. So here we are going to write balance as per bank statement. That's all.